In order to do this project, the first thing you will need is a shoebox, magnifying lens, masking tape, Velcro, ruler, cell phone, foam board, hot glue gun, knife, scissors, a marker or pencil. First, you'll take the magnifying lens and break off its handles. Then you'll take the shoebox and place the magnifying lens in the center of the shoebox and trace it. After tracing it, cut around it with the knife. After doing so, you'll realize the lid will be covering your hole. So using the silicone foam that you cut off from the shoebox, carefully trace the lid so it will be matching the hole on your shoebox. Now take the magnifying lens, place it on the hole, then using the hot glue gun, glue the lens on top of the hole. Be careful and keep the lens steady. Now it's time to make the stand for the cell phone. Measure the width and the depth of your shoebox. Then with those measurements, cut off 2 pieces of foam board. One of them will be used to slide the cell phone and the other one will hold the cell phone. Put the 2 foam boards in a 90-degree angle and using the hot glue gun, glue it down. Now put 3 masking tapes on the foam board that will be holding the cell phone. Then place the cell phone on it. Take the 2 foam boards and the cell phone and place it in the shoebox, facing the magnifying lens. Now turn off the lights and see your movie.
This is New Care and Companionship for Disabled Club.
Do you have any experience of caregiving?
I've never done it, but I'm sure I could learn.
Then that's going well. Will, this is Nathan Clark. Nathan will talk you through Will's routines and equipment.
You don't have to talk across me, Mother. My brain isn't paralysed. Yet.
Good morning. Oh, he hates me. Every time I speak, he looks at me like I'm stupid. To be fair, you are pretty stupid. Yeah, but he doesn't know that yet.
No. Stay. Tell me something good.
When I was little, my favourite outfit was my bumblebee tights.
Bumblebee tights.
Black and yellow stripe.
Today we'll be making a homemade thermometer. So the materials you need is 2 empty cups, 1 empty water bottle, and water bottle filled with water, red food coloring, and rubbing alcohol, a straw, and some clay. So let's start the experiment. So first, get the 2 empty cups, and we will be filling equal portions of water and rubbing alcohol in it. So let me get the water. So you first pour the water and only pour a little bit. And then you get the rubbing alcohol.
All that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We got no time, and that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand.
Okay, so after you pour the 2 liquids into each cup, you'll take the empty water bottle and pour both of them into the empty water bottle. So I'll be first pouring the water. Next, the rubbing alcohol. Okay, next I'll be getting the red food coloring and pouring a few droplets into the water to show the red line which you see in a regular thermometer, which the red line, if your temperature is hot, if you're higher, the red line will be going up depending on the heat of your body. So I'll be pouring a few droplets. And you will mix the red food coloring with the other two liquids. After everything is mixed, it should look like this. Next, you'll get the straw and place it inside the water bottle, but you have to make sure the end of the straw does not hit the bottom of the water bottle. It should be a few inches above the base of the water bottle. And to make that happen, you take clay to place it on top of the straw to conceal the top of the straw to make sure no air goes in or out of it. You take some clay. You place the straw inside, but make sure it does not touch the bottom of the water bottle.
We got no time and that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time but I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand.
How the final product should look like. As you can see, the straw is not touching the bottom of the water, but it's still inside this mixture of rubbing alcohol and water. Next, I boiled some water to test the thermometer. So I'm going to place the thermometer inside the hot water. So after placing the thermometer in the hot water, due to the heat energy from the water, you can see that the water is rising through this straw.
Higher powers taking a hold on me.